In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an expense report in Dext. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Cost tab, and of course, you want to go to your inbox and find the receipts or whatever you have in here that you want to include on your expense report or expense claim, as they call it. Now, do the check marks over here, so check these, and of course, you can do as many as you want, and then click on Add to Expense Claim. Now, whenever you do that, you can add it to an existing claim or a new claim. I'm going to go with a new one. I'm going to claim for myself, and the date is going to be tomorrow, and then the claim name is going to be tutorial. Okay, when you do that, click on the add button, and as you can see, it's going to get added into expense claims, and this one is this over here. I can click on it, and that way I can basically view it and review it. And then of course, when I've created this expense report, I could go and see the PDF preview as well, which looks like this. There we go. It's basically just like a sample with some sample data. I can go and submit for approval, archive, export, etc. That's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.